Yo, this is actually insane. This is actually so crazy because this account is fucking printing from literally just posting this one girl over and over and over and over again. And it's literally the whole entire thing is all AI, and you can see it's going crazy viral, like 6.1 million views, etc. And today I'm going to show you how to do the exact same because there's a new video model out there, and it's never been easier than it is right now to like create your own avatar and then create your own video from it, etc. And I'm going to show you how you can automate the entire whole process with Claude, with the proper AI infrastructure, so you can connect it to Shopify and then also to Polaris to fully automate your ads like this. And this is honestly like the exact system I'm hitting 6K days consistently with. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Like right now is the first time ever where you can actually just promote a product directly with a like completely real looking AI avatar without ever having to like physically touch the product or whatever. The crazy thing is you can test products so fucking fast now, even with organic videos like this. Like she's probably selling those bras, those bikinis, etc. And if you like, you can see shop my showcase, and then it's gonna be here under 30 bucks and viral. And yeah, bro, she's fucking printing off of this. Like you can see those products. She's gonna make so much commission off of that. Like if she were to actually run her own store because she's not just a dumb TikTok shop affiliate, but because she's someone like an ecom guy like you and me, and she would actually understand that those are the guys making the real money, bro, she would print even fucking more of this. So I'm gonna drop like right into it and just gonna show you how you can create exactly the same shit. And I'm also gonna show you how you can actually delete like the AI generated media tag which she has here, because that actually fucks up the performance so bad. So the very first thing I always do is I go to polarisugc.com and then I go to generator and image, because we want to generate a proper character right now. So this is like a character that was once set up and is now being recycled time and time and time again. So we're gonna do the exact same, and for that we're gonna head to Pinterest. And then once we're actually on Pinterest, you can see we're just gonna search for like some term that shows us a like normal looking woman, or just a like woman that could go viral. So she needs to be like, how do I say, like seen as attractive. So we're gonna search a term like Betty, older Betty, Asian Betty, Betty blonde, whatever. I'm just gonna take this character as inspo. I'm gonna copy the image and I'm gonna bring it to Polaris and then to the prompt generator, because we don't want to infringe anyone's personal right. I'm gonna like generate a prompt based off of her, and then from that store a prompt from zero generate an image instead of just taking her as reference, because that could be illegal. Okay, so now you can see the prompt actually just landed, so I'm gonna copy and then I'm going to paste that into the image generator. We're gonna go with GPT image 2 and we're just gonna hit generate here one time, and then actually just to see which performs better, I'm also gonna go with Nano Banana Pro and run the exact same prompt through, and then also Nano Banana 2. And then we're just gonna take whatever we like most, because those are the three flagship models. And GPT Image 2 looks sharpest, but sometimes can have the problem of looking like hyper realistic and basically, well, not hyper realistic, but like too polished, and then it messes up with the lighting, etc. So we're gonna see which gives the best result. Okay, so as you can see, GPT definitely gave by far the best like result. So I'm gonna go with that one. Yeah. GPT is 100% the best from like the angle and everything, and just the whole entire thing looks best. I'm just gonna like download this now. This is our avatar. So once it's saved, you're gonna go to the video generator. And this is, by the way, like literally the exact fucking system how I like create my avatar and how I create my videos. But actually, like to automate, I'm going to show you how you can do that in a second too. But now we're in video and we're going to select the Seedance 2.5 model. It's literally the craziest thing ever. So we are going to go with start frame. We want to attach a start frame, and that should be exactly the image we just generated. And then we're just going to say, give her some natural movement back and forth a bit when the iPhone moves. Make sure that the camera moves accordingly too. The full video should not be hectic, but very, how do I say this? Very slow and relaxed slash controlled. Oh fuck. Controlled. Duration I'm gonna go with like 10 seconds. AI sound, we don't want or need that. So, yeah, slow, relaxed, controlled, whatever. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we're just gonna say from her lab, make pick up the attached package. So basically, I just wrote the entire prompt and I'm just gonna generate, and once it lands, I'm just gonna get back to you. And also, this is like the exact workflow that helped me scale to 6K days, and I'm gonna show you a bit about like product research, etc. So basically, the number one thing that people always tell you is that you need to find like a winning product, a blue ocean product, whatever. And everyone is fucking lying to you. Nobody knows what they are actually talking about. It's all smoke and mirrors. Nobody actually gets a single thing they are saying, because in marketing you learn very fast you need to sell outcomes, and selling an outcome is only possible if you actually solve a problem for someone. Like you need to solve a problem painful enough or even friction that the customer basically wants to buy. The product is just going to be the mechanism to solve the problem. So how do I explain this? A person that's overweight, for example, doesn't want to take supplements. They just want to be skinny for like without having the effort of, for example, working out or eating less, etc. So if you convince the customer that your product will solve their problem, you get a sale. That's it. It's simple as that. So always sell problem solver products. Automating everything, this shit has been going on for a while now. The AI infrastructure has gotten crazy, and I'm going to show you once the clip lands how you can actually automate everything. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, now it landed in the chat and it looks so crazy realistic. It's hyper realistic. Seedance is literally the flagship AI video generation model right now. And I'm just gonna show you really quickly how to set this up, because I told you you can do like a fully automated ad pipeline with this. And I'm gonna show you now how exactly you can set this up. So basically, when you're in Polaris, you can come to the home page and then press on this MCP button, or on the bottom left here on this Connect with Cloud button. And then once you press on it, this pop-up opens. You're gonna press copy URL and, oh, sorry, and then you're going to bring it over into Claude on this little plus. Then press on connectors, add connector, and then add a custom connector. Paste what you just copied into here and name it Polaris. That is literally it. Once you did this, you can set up co-work tasks. So you can say, for example, like you can use the exact same prompts you just used in the video generation to generate the images. So for example, if I want to, I don't know, go ahead and generate the image of her once again, I'm going to go to ChatGPT, I'm going to copy this prompt, and then I'm just going to say, um, generate this with GPT image 2. 9 by 16 and whatever. And then you can say, generate me variations of this character every morning. And you're literally going to wake up and you're going to have everything generated before you even did any manual work with the Claude Cowork tasks. And then you can also set this up to use Google Drive, for example. And it literally cannot be any easier. The whole animation, the whole like video generation, everything can be done before you even wake up. So then you only have to wake up and post those stupid ass videos. And that's how easy it is to print nowadays. And that's exactly what is printing me to 6K days and even more. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you want any one-on-one help, or if you basically have any more questions, you can DM me on my Instagram. It's linked down below. And you can also like join the community. It's free right now, but I don't know how long it will stay free. But if it's still linked below, you can just check it out. And that's it. You can just tell me in the comments what type of content you want to see. If you want like more AI UGC content, or if you want like cartoon ads again, etc.